Hey everybody, I wanted to give a little update on our Weeroll Camper since we got home. If you followed our journey to Alaska, you'll know that we bent our axle on the camper on the infamous Dexter Highway going to the Arctic Circle in the Northwest Territory. About 1,000, almost 1,100 miles of gravel up there and back, and it took its toll on the little camper, bent the spindle on the axle. So when we got home, we ordered one, and 6 weeks later we've got it, and it's installed. Ended up running us about $1,150 installed, so not too bad. And that's the Dexter Torsion axle on this camper. We also had to pick up a couple of new tires. It was time for them. So anyway, she's back and ready to roll. The window covers that I built held up extraordinarily well. Took the abuse of the road, no cracks or chips or anything, held up fine. So anybody who's worried about maybe having some windows on their front of their camper, just check out my video about the window covers I made, and they can work for you. So we'll go inside. Let's just see here. She held up really well. As you can see, she still looks new inside. Everything worked out fine for us. I may have a couple of modifications yet to do, but we'll take that when we get to it. This is looking in the back door. Okay. There you go. Maybe a little better view, more sunlight. Right now we're packing up. This weekend is our annual Swanee Roots Revival music festival that we go to every October down near Live Oak, Florida. And we'll be down there for 4 or 5 days camping with our friends and seeing lots of great music. So I'll shoot a little video from there too, but just wanted to update a little bit on the Weeroll Camper. If you have any questions, ask below. Thanks, and fare thee well, Nomies.